Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music, play audio from your phone through the system in this 2016 Audi A1. Sometimes it's quite complicated, but once you've done it, once you've set it up for the first time, it should be okay. So what we do, we go to music, and you see on music here, that's, if I click on the bottom, this is the track I'm going to play. iPhone, it's Van Morrison, Days Like This, but there's just iPhone showing up. So I've already paired my phone to the Audi system, but it's not showing up on the media. And what happens when you set this correctly, any soundtrack that's playing on your phone, if this is set correctly, it will come through the speakers in your car. So now we go to media. A Bluetooth audio player has not yet been connected. Now, if you're going to connect a brand new one, if there's somebody else in the car and you want to play their phone, then that's what you do. But now you've got settings in the corner. As I say, these 4 buttons correspond to the instructions or what it's going to do if you click one of these buttons. Settings is in the bottom right hand corner, so we click on settings, Bluetooth settings, select Bluetooth settings. Now, bonded Bluetooth devices. So we go down to bonded Bluetooth. You see there, if there's nothing playing for any other reason, just make sure there's on next to Bluetooth audio. But bonded Bluetooth devices, select that, click on that. Barry's iPhone, click on that again. And you'll see there, hands-free is connected, audio player has not connected. So we turn that down, click on connect, watch here, Audi MMI's come up. Now, if this is playing, which it is, turn that up. When it's not always raining. Perfect record for it, but it is raining today, so that's how you do that.